AI is one of the most powerful tools humanity has ever created. This channel isn't about fear, panic, or anti-technology narratives. It's about understanding real change, how artificial intelligence is already reshaping work, creativity, and decision-making, and what that means for people going forward. For centuries, humans built tools to serve us, tools that extended our strength, our memory, our reach. But something has changed. For the first time in history, our tools are no longer just responding. They're learning. Artificial intelligence was designed to assist human work, to make tasks easier, faster, more efficient. Instead, it's quietly beginning to replace it. Not someday, not hypothetically, right now. And most people don't even notice it happening. For years, there was a clear promise. AI would handle repetitive tasks, assembly lines, data entry, manual labor, work that was boring, dangerous, or time-consuming. Creative work was considered safe. Skilled professions were considered safe. Human judgment, intuition, ethics, experience was considered irreplaceable. We were told AI would free humans to do more meaningful work. That belief was comforting. It was also temporary, because once machines learned to recognize patterns, they didn't stop at repetition. They moved into reasoning, language, creativity, decision-making, and the line between assistance and replacement began to blur. Today, artificial intelligence writes articles, not drafts, but finished pieces. It designs logos and branding, edits videos, generates music, produces marketing campaigns. AI answers customer service calls, screens resumes, reviews legal contracts, flags medical abnormalities, assists in diagnoses. These were not low-skill jobs. They required education, training, experience. Most of these roles didn't disappear overnight. They faded. One person was asked to do the work of 3 with AI assistance. Then the team was reduced. Then the role was redefined. And eventually, the software remained. There was no announcement, no breaking news, no moment where society stopped to acknowledge what had changed. Work didn't vanish. It dissolved. AI doesn't take breaks. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't get sick. It doesn't negotiate salaries. It doesn't leave for a better offer. For companies, this isn't personal. It's not ideological. It's not even technological. It's economic. A single AI system can replace the output of dozens, sometimes hundreds of workers. And unlike humans, it improves with every task. Mistakes become data. Data becomes refinement. Refinement becomes advantage. In competitive markets, efficiency always wins. Not because companies want to replace people, but because they can't afford not to. The greatest risk isn't job loss itself. It's speed. Technology moves faster than laws, faster than education systems, faster than social safety nets, faster than human adaptation. Entire professions can change in a few years, sometimes in months. By the time society reacts, by the time regulations are discussed, or retraining programs are designed, the decision has already been made. The system has already shifted. And once incentives change, they rarely reverse. This isn't the end of work, but it may be the end of work as we understand it. Each job replaced teaches these systems more. Each success accelerates the next transition. AI doesn't just automate tasks, it reshapes expectations. What was once exceptional becomes standard. What was once valuable becomes assumed. The question is no longer whether AI will replace more work. The question is how much of human contribution will remain essential and how society adapts when efficiency becomes the primary measure of value. If machines can work, create, analyze, and decide what exactly are humans still for? That's the question this channel explores. Not with fear, not with hype, but with careful attention to what's already happening. Welcome to AI Replacing Us. Subscribe for more.